자, let's go. 피스파크.
Shot!
What's up?
Pissed off, man.
Yes, mate.
Just got me a new place, man. Hate my neighbors, man. I got neighbors that borrow shit all the time. You ever had a neighbor that borrow your shit and keep it so long you have to borrow it back? Like, Tony, you got a broom I can borrow, man. No, you got my goddamn broom. That ain't all, man. I got rats and roaches like Crips and Bloods in my house, man.
Ja, zaasti.
Be crawled by shootings all the time. I come home from work out to break up fights. Man, y'all let it go, let it go. It ain't worth it. Stop that shit, man. Man, they be answering my door. Talking on my phone, won't click over. People done told me they ain't call, I ain't heard shit from them. That motherfucker don't live here. My roach is smart too, man. They play dead. The other day I stepped on one of them, went in the bathroom to get some tissue, came back, that nigga was gone.
Wow.
I seen him 2 weeks later with some stitches.
What?
Nigga told me he was too legit to quit. Man, it's fucked up when you go in your series to get your prize, them motherfuckers done already been in there and got it.
Ja, zaasti.
Trip,
Pioneer,
man.
yeah.
Whatever happened to pimps, man?
Ja.
What if Michael Jackson was a pimp? Should be him and Tito be riding around in a Cadillac and shit? Slow down, Tito. Slow down, Tito. Damn! Is that my hoe over there sitting on the curb? Let me out. Come here, girl. I said, come here, girl. Well, my money, how much you got? Mike, I'm sorry, all I got is $100 bill. Girl, you been out here all day and all you got is $100 bill? Ah! Keep it in the closet. Now get out there and make me some money.
Энэ темпгээ дээр үйтлээсэн якуза нар шилхаар. Газруудаас татвар аавн яаны. Гомтон зарн түрээслэн тэр хар тамхи мэмэл яадаг хүмүүс.
It's fucked up, man. Ain't nobody hiring this. I'm serious. I know what it is, man. White people don't trust black people. That's why they won't vote for no black president. Like a black brother will fuck up the White House. Like the grass won't be cut. Dishes piled up, cousins running through the White House, cookouts, basketball goal in the back. Broken down cars, all about to shit in the driveway. Brother won't clean out the tub when he get out of it. President get pissed off, somebody done drunk up all the Kool-Aid.
Энэ үед Обама гараагүй байсан баг та. Энэ гэхдээ нэлээд дээр үед хаа. 20 жил, 10 жилийн.
Ain't no a black president, he's too proud, he ain't gonna have no bodyguard. A black president, he gonna have a gun. Somebody tried to fuck him up, he fucked him. Hey, nigga! Like, damn, the president just fucked somebody up! You see that shit, man? My mom threw me out the house, man. Man, you ever notice when you're in high school, you your mama's baby, but when you graduate, you that nigga walking around the house? My daddy wanted me to leave all alone, man. Leave me little hints and shit like leaving army brochures and shit on my pillow. My mama do little shit like she'll buy peanut butter, went buy the jelly. Buy Kool-Aid, went buy sugar. My mom, what the fuck wrong with you?
Ja, yang mooi.
No, you can't make Kool-Aid without sugar. Fuck them shit, man. You can't fuck no more in your mom's house neither. It's a trip, man. Cause one time, man, I was handling business, right? But I had to listen out for my mom. So I told the girl, I said, you gonna have to shut the fuck up. Cause I gotta listen out for my mom. I thought I heard something. Mama don't come home to 6. That ain't how. Keep on doing what you're doing. One time my mom's caught me, man. It was fucked up. I was handling business, right? I mean, I was on the floor and the bed was shaking. My mom said, Chris,
Нөгөө нь
What you
орон
doing?
дээрээс нсэн.
I said, nothing, mama. She said, come here, boy. said, Mom, I'm coming.
Yeah.
Come here, boy. I said, Mom, I'm coming. So well, hurry up. I said, I'm trying to if you shut the fuck up. They got on Chris Tucker.
Yeah.